Well, good morning, YouTube, and my 175 subscribers. Thank you very much. This is William from Williams, Philippines. And today is Monday morning, 9/23/24 at about 4:15 in the a.m. And don't know about you, but the bottom fell out yesterday, and it's down to 49. Supposed to be possibly hitting 47 degrees this morning, about sunset or sunrise. Yeah, a bit cool. Don't know exactly what that would be, but it's about 20 degrees Fahrenheit above freezing, but not by much. Yeah, the bottom fell out. I have done 5 wraps around the building and 3 wraps up and down the stairs inside doing the figure 8s. Yeah. I don't like the cold. All of a sudden dropping down like this caught me off guard. That's why I'm wearing this thing. Because, oh yeah, it's a bit cool outside. That's one of the hazards of here in the Panhandle of Texas. I've seen it go from 92 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in 12 hours and have an inch of snow blowing sideways. Yeah. Welcome to the ups and downs of the Panhandle weather. And I'm tired of this yo-yo. I want some nice warm weather that doesn't get really crazy swings. I mean, hey, 20, 25, 30 degree swings, yeah, I can deal with that. But when they start doing 40 and 50, 60 degrees temperature swings, yeah. Welcome to the yo-yo. Anyway, yeah, caught me off guard, and I got the router over there. I brought it with me to work. We're going to try to set it up on the other computer, but yeah, I had a few guests come in, and trying to get things took care of has been kind of sporadic. I had 4 cookies and was drinking some coffee. Yeah. Still got one over there. And finally gave up on the coffee. Probably should go ahead and do another cup and finish the one cookie, but yeah. I don't know. We'll give it a go. We'll see. Anyway, yeah. Catching was Philly in the Philippines over there talking about some fiesta or festival or something going on in Surigao, General Luna area, I think. Yeah, they were dancing around and it looked like fun. Got to go try that. Try to get out and about and get used to being around people. That's why I'm here, was because, don't like large groups of people. You start getting more than about 10 people and I want to go. It's part of the reason I'm wanting to get to the Philippines. Be able to go out and associate and try to change these things that push me back into wanting to stay hidden in home. Don't get me wrong, I can deal with people, and I do it here at my job, and I do it with, sometimes as many as 20, 25 people here I've seen that many people here in the office. Well, the breakfast area here for the hotel gets crowded on occasion. But it gets up that much, and all I want to do is come back here and start cooking, and only go up there long enough to put more food out, check a person out, and get back down here. My talkativeness goes away, and that's something I need to work on. Not letting that dictate my day. So I'm in the process of trying to improve there and get used to bigger crowds. Don't get me wrong, I can go out and I can face more people. I've gone Black Friday shopping with my niece. I need to get more comfortable with that idea. It just is what it is. Yeah. But yes, brought the little router. I'm going to try to get the other computer up and set up and try to get all the passwords and such changed over and get it set up so I can just connect it when I get home and move the stuff out of the way and reconnect it and get all that out, because, well, one of them, it'll work as a router, but it's not, wireless anymore. I've lost my ability to have wireless. Hard wires, yay. So, yeah. Need to get that finished and, change the password, because I don't like the idea of a default password on something. Especially when it's a generic single password for everybody. Yeah, don't like that idea. Because then other people get the idea they can just drive by and start entering passwords on things and see if it works. So, yay, get to go in and set that up. Matter of fact, I probably should start that now. So I can actually get it set up before I have to jump up and start going and doing breakfast and get this uploaded. We'll see. But it's just part of the process. And trying to get things taken care of and improve me is not always the easiest thing. I let go by leaving claw marks in granite. Letting go. Well, clinging to something like you need to have a death grip on it, isn't that letting go? No? You sure? Okay. I'm not sure either. That's why I'm trying to work on me. But it is what it is. Anyway, with a lot more people over there, this will force me to, if nothing else, at least get used to more people. I do want to find something that's, I don't want to go to a big city, that's for sure. But to find something that is somewhere near a small city or, something like that, I could be okay with. Quite honestly, I'd be okay running out and being on a little village up in the mountains and be happy with that. But that doesn't work, on me, improving me. And that's really where you got to work. I said it before. Here to here, your heart, your head, and God. That's where you get to work. That's you. If you're working on something else, you're probably messing up. Working on somebody else is not good for them or you. Because, well, you're interfering with their life. And unless somebody's coming up trying to interfere with my life, I try not to mess with them. If they want to come mess with my life, they're welcome to come try. I try to avoid that. But hey, sometimes you just gotta step on somebody's toes to remind them that, hey, don't come up under my foot. Because some folks just want to be over there and mess your day up. So yeah. But I'm not trying to go out of my way to step on people's toes. But I'm not going to go out of my way either to do it. I'm not going to change where I'm going or what I'm doing to not step on your toes if you're coming over there putting them under my feet. So yeah, just saying. I don't know. It's one of those days. Anyway, had a fairly busy day yesterday and was quite tired by the time I got home and done with work and got home. All I really wanted to do was go to sleep, but got up and stayed up a little while and tended to a few things. Cooked my breakfast, which was not really breakfast, but dinner. Yeah. I had some leftover burritos, and I did up a little bit of beef stir fry, and threw it on top of some romaine noodles about an hour later. So, yeah. I really need to cut back on the carbohydrates. They're really not good for you. But I did stick within the window until I got to work, and that's why I was going to do those yesterday, so I wouldn't mess up my diet. Yeah, die with a T at the end. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to try to go get this router set up and password and such changed. It is what it is. Anyway, Williams, Philippines, I hope everybody is off to a good start for your week and that you had a blessed weekend and lots of food. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.